Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're here with Matthew today. It's time for another JBMMC episode. We're going to be hitting up the creek again. And we're just going to try to catch some fish, alright? Let's get it.
Well, this is going to be a little bit.
Matthew with the first hookup of the day. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
It's good to know.
Not bad.
Alright, I messed up, guys. I didn't bring any pliers or nothing, and I can't cut the line with my teeth, so I'm stupid. So I done made myself the greatest invention.
Fish on!
Fish on?
Fish on!
Oh, never mind.
Fish on! Come on!
It's a monster.
It's a freaking dude, it's a monster.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's just awesome. Dude, we were not gonna weigh that monster. That thing was like pushing 8 pounds.
Dude, that was about a 60-pounder.
I don't know about 60, but yeah. So, anyways, folks, back to my problem. I can't bite the line in half. So I tied line to the hook. Here's the old hook. Here's the new hook. Put something smaller on there so I can catch these little fish. Let's get it. All right, folks, it has come to our attention that there is huge, I'm talking huge, big old, like, schools of carp. They done ate all the dang bass eggs. There ain't no bass in here. Well, I've seen one, but because all I've been catching is perch. Got a feeling we need to catch some carp or something, because there's like 40 of them out there in that water. You probably can't tell it all, but there's a crap ton of them. Alright, guys, I didn't catch nothing today. He caught about 6, 7 perch. It's been a terrible day, but I was not prepared. I didn't bring crap to cut my line with. And I tied this hook onto that hook and then this hook. Yeah, it was terrible. But we're gonna come back tomorrow, target carp, and we're actually gonna catch something worth showing. So how do you think today's fishing was?
Pretty good for me. It's alright. Caught a few perch.
Alright. So, how do you think tomorrow's going to be?
Much better. Come prepared.
Interesting.
More prepared.
Yep. What kind of bait you bringing?
Little swimmer bait. Little frog action. Can't be afraid to pop that cork.
Alright, guys, it's day 2. I mean, not really. It's like a week later from that first part, but we got our cameraman here today. We got Mr. Aaron. You know, should make for a better half of video, you know. So we're gonna go try to catch some carp, maybe some bass, maybe some bluegill. Let's go.
That's a decent one. Oh, not even a 2-pounder. 175.
So we're at the second spot. There is an absolute buttload of huge carp, probably yay long. We've been fishing for about 5 minutes, right? We ain't catching nothing. We're not gonna catch nothing. Alright, so on this day 2 fishing extravaganza, or like day 63, it don't matter, but he's caught 1 fish today. I've caught 0 because I've been targeting carp. They won't bite nothing.
Pretty good sign.
Yeah. But you know, ain't looking too good. But we need content for JVMC. So post it. Well, this sucked. Worst fishing extravaganza I've ever been a part of. I just don't really know what to say for myself, you know. It's just terrible, you know. About sick and tired of this fishing stuff when it's 102 out here. So, JVMC is over.